Welcome, in front of me is a GIGASET GS190, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you simply want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using a home screen as an example for this. And once it's open, hold power key and volume down. You'll get the sound and animation for it. Then message will pop up that screenshot has been saved. And you can share, edit, or delete it from here, at least for the first 2 seconds, and then it will disappear. And later on, you can find that screenshot in your photo gallery. So let me quickly locate the gallery app. Oh, there we go, photos. And as you can see, it's under screenshots. So right over here. And that is how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.